okay? Don't come for me, but I'm gonna be using my middle school iPod because I'm recording with my phone. So as y'all can see, I put the timer for 10 minutes. And I'm gonna be starting this 10-minute makeup challenge in 5, 4, 3, 2. Start. Oh shit. Moisturizer. Nah, I'm shook, guys, because I cannot do shit in 10 minutes. Fast. Guys, this is scary. I really hope I get at least 2 concealer. Oh shit, I forgot to wear my sponge. Hold up. Pause. Look, it's getting 9 minutes and 18 seconds left. I'm gonna pause it just to wear my sponge. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. My sponge is nice and soaked, and I'm gonna get right back to the challenge. Resume that shit. Primer. Wait, did I put this already? Fuck, I don't know if I put this. Shit. If I put this twice, I'm gonna kill myself. Not literally, but you know. Eyebrows. Yo, this is scary. This is scary. Eyebrows is probably the hardest part because I take like 30 minutes to do my eyebrows. I'm not putting the foundation on top because I do not got time, girl. Yo, where's the brush? Oh! Here she is. Foundation. Where the fuck is my foundation? Ooh, I just had that shit. OMG. Thank God for clear skin because I'm not putting a lot today. Woo. Concealer. I'm literally just using one concealer today. I ain't with the shits. I am not with the shit. Girl, just fuck it. Contour. Wow, I put so much. My edges is coming off. Like, I need a better edge control ASAP. You know what? Fuck that shit. Bronzer. Guys, this is so stressful. Oh my God, I have 42 seconds left. There's no time for eyeshadow. Oh shit. We're just gonna have to put some mascara on. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 26 minutes. literally. Guys, I could not do shit in 10 minutes. I don't know why I thought this was gonna work out, but I mean, I wouldn't say I failed completely. Cause if I was to go somewhere and I needed to get ready in 10 minutes, I could just put my lip gloss as I'm like walking out, feel me? I don't need a mirror for that. So I don't think I failed completely, but you know, it's alright. It's alright. Like, I could actually go outside like this. So did I fail? I don't know. What do y'all think? Yo, these edges are not it. These little bitches cannot stay still. It is what it is. This is what I came up with in 10 minutes. Obviously, just literally something simple. I'm gonna just apply some lip gloss on, cause girl, I can't. And don't mind the little hickeys I have there. If you noticed, I know I hate that shit too. It's ugly as fuck, but you know, shit happens. OMG, I just noticed that I have no highlight on my face. Bro, do y'all see this? No type of highlight. No type of highlight whatsoever. This was a fail. Like, I cannot go outside like this. I cannot put foundation on and then not put highlight. Like, that don't make sense. Oh. This challenge is canceled. This challenge is officially canceled. Said right here in this channel. It's canceled, bitch!